I'm Jamaican. I am a Jamaican girl, bred, born, and raised. And you know me, I go talk patois. I'm a Jamaican girl, and you know me, I go give you home remedy. I'm a Jamaican girl, and you know me, I go give you a little bit of proverbs. So start with the proverbs. Where sweet you, I go sour you. Where sweet nanny goat, I go run in belly. That means if you're happy and you're glad, you're gonna be sad. Yeah, man. Jamaica. Art of a Jamaican. Jamaican journalist, ma'am. Right, yes, so the thing there. I am from Jamaica. Bred, born, and raised. Let's give a show of hands who is from St. Catherine. And you know this, so you can get the orange, the breadfruit, and the mango, and the sugar cane. Yeah, man. St. Catherine is fruitful. And come to think of it, have you ever been to Linstead Market where they sell the nice produce, the ackee? Yes, and the breadfruit where you can roast. Yeah, man, everything sell at Linstead Market, especially the fresh fish. Yes, and when you turn into the market and you get the Indian curry and you get the turmeric and the whatever to mix in the curry. And when you go home and start cook your curry chicken, people smell your curry chicken from a mile. When you come on to St. Catherine, yeah, man, them love to farm. Farming, yes, and we love the orange. Have you ever drink two juice? Yeah, man, from St. Catherine. Nestle, not in St. Catherine no more, but Jamaican. St. Catherine, where I'm from. Yeah, man. We love food. Have you ever tasted Jamaican cooking? Yes. The jerk chicken. Sell off. The curry goat. Any function, if you don't have curry goat, you not say nothing. And manish water, not to mention fry fish, fish tea. When you go in a Jamaican household, you have the fried fish and barmy, the roast breadfruit and the ackee and saltfish. Yeah, man. And you know me, I go down to memory lane. Yeah, man. Art of a Jamaican. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please follow me on YouTube, Jamaican Journalist Mom, where we go down memory lane. Back in the days. Come, good old days.